Welcome to your Midday Sports. We begin with football. The Jamaica Football Federation has been served with a notice of appeal against the discontinuation of an injunction filed on behalf of Patricia Garrell as president of Beach Soccer Jamaica. In a release on Thursday morning, the JFF confirmed that the notice was served through their lawyer, KCN Kennedy Sherman of TWP Lawyers. The January 14 elections were postponed 2 days before its scheduled date after Beach Soccer Jamaica, through its president, Patricia Garrell, were granted a 28-day injunction after the association took the legal route against its non-inclusion as an affiliate of the JFF elections. Garrell lodged a formal application with the Supreme Court, asserting that BSJ should be accorded recognition as an affiliate of the JFF, granting them the right to participate in the crucial election process. However, last week, the Supreme Court denied an application for the continuation of the temporary injunction, clearing the way for the JFF to set a new date for the elections, which, according to the release, will be announced soon. The injunction was refused on the basis that there was no serious issue to be tried and that the applicant has not established that they are either an affiliate or a member of the JFF. According to the release, JFF President Michael Ricketts stated that he's opposed to the appeal, especially as it goes against the provisions of the JFF's constitution and the FIFA statutes, and is a deliberate attempt to deny the legitimate members a right to exercise their vote. Ricketts, who has been in office since September 2017, faces a challenge from his first Vice President, Raymond Anderson. At sports time, the Jamaica Scorpions were 30 without loss in their second round West Indies Regional 4-Day Championship match against combined campuses and colleges at Sabina Park. Chadwick Walton, 24, and Carlos Brown, 4, are the batters at the crease. Earlier, Jonathan Carter scored an unbeaten century as the combined campuses and colleges were bowled out for 307 in their first innings, having resumed on 260 for 7. Shamar Brooks was the next highest scorer with 36, and that included and 3 other batters got into double figures. Gordon Bryan and O.J. Shields took 3 wickets each for the Scorpions, while Abijay Mansingh had 2 wickets. Finally, Jamaica's Emily MacDonald failed to make progress from the heats of the women's 100-meter freestyle at the World Aquatics Championships underway in Doha, Qatar. MacDonald ended 6th in Heat 6 in a time of 57.57 seconds, which ranked her 33rd of 84 swimmers in the event. Sidrell Williams also failed to qualify for the semi-finals of the men's 100-meter freestyle. Jamaica's other swimmer in action on the day, Josh Curlew, also failed to make it into the next round as he was disqualified in the heats of the 200-meter medley. Jamaica has 4 swimmers in total at the meet, with Jessica Calderbank being the other. Calderbank will be back in action on Friday in the 50-meter butterfly. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Shamela, it's back to you.
Thank you, Spencer. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.